Don't you just wish that stringing up your beans and tomatoes could be easy? I'm going to show you the easiest way to add string to your steaks, and your beans and your tomatoes will love you for it.
All I have needs I have not provided.
So I've started off with a knot here that's not going to come undone. You know, right over left and then left over right. And then I just wind it like that. So coming from this side on this one, but I do the opposite on this one. So I'm coming from the, as you're facing me, the back to the front, winding it. Now this one's going to come around the back, but now I've got a little challenge here. This guy started growing faster than I could get out here and get this string up. So I'm going to unwind them and put them right back. It's just a really healthy plant here. And these are Cherokee Trail of Tears, by the way. So from the back, now I'm going to go to the front. And I've got the same problem here, but I think I can wiggle him in without hurting the plant. Easy does it. Okay. Note to self, get out here the next time before the plants get so aggressive and healthy. All right, let's do this again. Try not to break your plants. All right, that one was successful. So that one came from the front. This one's going to come from the back. To the front. Well, I've got more vines growing here already than I thought I did. So, and now I've come to the end, and I'm just gonna wind it around until I get to the level I want. And since that came around the front, I want this one, since it came around from the back, I want this one. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go up one more turn. So now I'm going to go the opposite way here. I've done it this way for years for both beans and tomatoes. And this cotton string is pretty strong. I'm going to have to unwind you, little guy. Just for a minute. You won't mind that, will you? There you go. Be fruitful and multiply. I'm going to have to unwind you a little bit. That was to the back. This one needs to go to the front. And you see, it's going to be opposite. So this one is coming from the back. This is from the front. To me, it just reinforces the strength of the poles here. This one needs to come around to the back. Let's see if I can unwind you. I'll lay this down a minute because I want to rewind him. Be fruitful and multiply. Make lots and lots of black beans. Cherokee Trail of Tears. Okay. This one comes like that one. This one goes around the back. That one. And this one needs to come around the front. This one around the back. And then wind it around till you get to the level you want. And do it again. Just, I don't know, I guess I got lucky so that I could alternate it. Now I'm curious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's an odd number. Okay, so maybe you have to have an odd number to be able to. That's probably true. You math whizzes out there, let me know if that's true. Do you have to have an odd number to make this be able to alternate? And back. That's it. I'm going to leave enough to tie it off. I try to do it opposite. So however, like a square knot, that saying, right over left and then left over right. But just in case, I'll give it another couple. And that's it. Let me go wind this guy back up. Now, Cherokee Trail of Tears, you'll notice how long this one is. They do grow pretty long vines, but it's okay, even if they start overflowing the top. Last year was my first time growing them, and I was really very surprised with how prolific they are. So, and they taste very much like your regular black beans. So, yeah, that's it. That one's done. So these butter beans are a big experiment. I saw a package of dried ones at Aldi, and so I decided to see if they would even sprout and grow, and sure enough they did. So I've planted more right where the camera is. I have no idea if they'll really make butter beans, but I had the space in my garden, and I'm going to see if we can grow some butter beans. I've been disappointed in my butter beans lately, and I haven't been able to figure out why that particular kind isn't making enough butter beans for me. So this was an old trellis that I've had for many, many years, and I just bring it out here on occasion for things like this. Thanks for watching. I hope you give it a green thumbs up. Maybe you'll be inspired to do some experiments too. And why not subscribe? I have over 200 videos now, and maybe there'll be something there that'll be helpful for you.
Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto